Good afternoon. My name is Terrence Wilson. I'm the Regional Policy and Community Engagement Director for the Intercultural Development Research Association. We are an education nonprofit that's focused on equal education opportunities for every child. So I spoke to the committee last time. We had an opportunity about some of our concerns related to some of the First Amendment protections, as well as our concerns related to the provisions in the bill already being in current law. But I did not get a chance to get to the last piece of my testimony, so I just wanted to share that with you all, is that we are concerned that under the current processes, this measure will inappropriately limit the material that covers topics that explain and address themes from individuals with marginalized identities. And these identities include racial and ethnic minorities, LGBTQIA+ individuals, and religious minorities. This concern has been borne out by several other states that have enacted provisions similar to this Senate bill. And I just wanted to, just as a little bit of evidence, read you some of the books that have been banned. According to the American Library Association, so they have a list of the top 10 challenged books of last year. One of them is George by Alice Gino, which was challenged, banned, and restricted for LGBTQIA+ content. Another one was stamped Racism, Anti-Racism, and You by Ibram X. Kendi because of the book contains selective storytelling and does not encompass racism against all people. There's another book that was banned and challenged based on it contained a political viewpoint that was claimed to be biased against male students and against police. So I think that although the concern of this committee is laudable around obscene materials, we would like for there to be protections for those kinds of minorities, for religious minorities, for folks from the LGBTQIA+ community, and for folks from racial and ethnic minorities, that their materials and that the students in our schools still have access to those materials, and that they are not unnecessarily removed from the school shelves. So those were the additional comments I didn't have a chance to raise with you all last time. And so I appreciate the time to be here today.